What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be walking you through yoga camel pose. Camel pose is a strong back bend, so make sure you're being careful today. We'll be doing 4 different versions. I recommend watching this video all the way through before getting started. So we'll start out on your shins. Your knees will be directly underneath your hips. If you want, you can tuck a blanket underneath your knees if you have a thin mat or you just want some extra padding. I'll come to the side so you can see me a little bit better. For this first version, the top of your feet will be on the mat. You'll place your hands on your lower back and lift your chest. Look to the front wall or maybe up at the sky. But make sure this doesn't hurt your neck. If this ever hurts your neck, take a step back. Press your hips forward. And that is version 1. And come back up. Version 2 is you tuck your toes under. Then you want to grab for one heel and lift your opposite hand up towards the sky. You can stay like that, or you can reach your hand towards the back of the room. Keep pressing your hips forward and lift your chest. And rise back up. If you did version 2, make sure to switch sides. And the next version is to keep your toes tucked under, but you're going to reach both hands for your heels. So just reach and remember to keep pressing your hips forward, lift your chest, maybe look up at the ceiling. Again, make sure your neck isn't hurting. And then come on up. And the final version is to have the flats of your feet tucked onto the mat, and you're going to want to reach for your heels. This is a pretty strong back bend, so don't push yourself. Lift your chest, press your hips forward, and come on up. And that is it. So just take your time with this and do whatever version works best for you. Remember, this is yoga practice. Just stick with what feels good. Thank you for joining me.